Content monetization, guys, if you are not yet invited in content monetization, check this out. So guys, go to your professional dashboard and go to your tools. And guys, if you see, if they have the option that I'm interested, so guys, click that I'm interested and write a message that you are interested on this content monetization. Then guys, they have possibility that Facebook will grant your request if you are already qualified to use this content monetization. So just type I'm interested in this content monetization. I hope you will give me a chance to get this content monetization tool. So that's it. It's very easy, guys. So accurately that 100% you will get, but some of my followers, I advise them to submit a request, and guys, guess what? Definitely after 2 to 3 days they get the content monetization. So try it on your profile also if they have option to request. So guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to follow, like, and share. Thank you so much and have a nice day.